So guys, in today's video, I'm just gonna do whatever, but today, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna be getting a microphone. So like, it's gonna be like the ones you clip onto your shirt and y'all can hear me more, cause you know, the camera that I use, like the microphone that I use is not good. It's not good. It does not have good quality, so tomorrow, I'm going to be getting a new one. And, oh yeah, heads up. My friends, I haven't brought in a snack at school since like last week or something like that. So I'm gonna be bringing these. My toilet is not gonna be the same. I'm literally for real. My toilet is not gonna be the same. So. We're going to be chugging the Sprite. Here it is. Yeah, we're going to be chugging this baby. I don't know if I'm gonna die. I don't know if I'm gonna throw up, or I don't know if I'm gonna hit my head after burping, like that one guy. Oh, what should I do? Okay, I'm not trying to be like that guy. Literally, get a freaking concussion. But yeah, let's get started. That was so quick. Ooh, tasty. I don't know why I did that. Alright. Taste it. Sip. Oh, but I was driving to go eat, and I'm pretty sure I saw my friend just running, like with his dad. I'm pretty sure him and his dad were running, cause I saw my friend's red shorts. They had a gray shirt. Cause at school he wore red shorts, and it was the same thing. So I'm gonna chug this. 3, 2, let's get it. I can do it. My throat. Oh. Oh my stomach hurts. Oh my god. I feel bad for that dude. Oh my nose. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's so crazy, bro. Oh. It hurts. Oh. hurts. My stomach is not gonna be the same, bro. Oh, it hurts. It hurts, bro. Oh, it hurts. Oh my gosh. Oh. Finish this. I'm done, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'm out.